Rise from ice, we foresters born, to ice we all return. Father, brother, I've sworn to guard this rest you've earned. I'd bare my neck to wail in pain and swim the shivering sea. Paint slavers play in crimson rains to bring Ethan back to me. His final words, faced with the sword, cut short the bastard's breath.
Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Wir sind mal wieder an der Mauer. Und es ist kalt und wir fahren nach oben. Oh.
You can't be fighting with the other recruits. You need those men to have your back. There's enough out here trying to kill us without trouble amongst our own.
Finn's a bully. I couldn't just let him push me around.
Fight every bully at Castle Black and that's all you'll ever do.
Ja, wenn du dich von jedem Bulli rumschubsen lässt und dann hast du auch nichts anderes mehr
I'm
zu tun.
Garrett.
Frostfinger told me about you. Seems to think you might be trouble.
He doesn't know me.
He's seen 1,000 recruits pass through those gates. He knows you better than you think. He said you fought for the North with the Foresters.
Yep.
You were there. At the Twins.
Yep.
Yes.
I still don't understand. 3,000 men, and not one could save my brother. Why didn't anyone fight back? Why didn't they rally to their king?
Nobody was expecting it. 1 minute we were drinking and telling jokes, and the next, the Freys cut us open.
Those cowards. Couldn't face Rob like men, so they stabbed him in the back. They couldn't even give him an honourable death. Let him die fighting.
Your brother would have won the North's freedom. He deserved to be king. He was good at it.
He was good at everything. Now the Freys command Riverrun, and the Boltons are wardens of the North. After what they did. It's not right.
They murdered my family. I should have been there.
I keep thinking if I'd been there, I could have done something. But chances are, I'd be dead too. Whatever I once thought, my place is here. With the Night's Watch.
Gemütlich.
There are those here who will hate you for who you are. Southerners who will call you traitor. Northerners who will call you craven. Some won't even have a reason. They'll hate you anyway. You can't do anything about it. Trust me, I know.
I don't care if they hate me. Let them think what they like.
Ignoring them won't be as easy as you think. Most of the men are criminals, forced to take the black. You were a squire for a noble house. What happened to you today happened to me more times than I can count. I learned there's nothing more important than having brothers you trust.
Lass mal runterpinkeln, oder? Nein, wir sind hier nicht Tyrion. Aber runterspucken, das würde ich auf jeden Fall machen.
I felt the same first time I saw it. I heard you want to be a ranger. Why? Why risk your life out there?
I want to protect House Forrester.
You'll protect them by doing your duty here. Not many recruits want to be rangers. They'd rather stay here where they think they'll be warm and safe. But Mance Rayder marches on the wall with 100,000 wildlings. I've seen them for myself. The men here are murderers, thieves, rapers. You won't like most of them, and they won't like you. But they're your brothers now. Can you stand with them? Can you see past your differences?
I'll stand with them.
Glad to hear it. I'd say you'll get used to the cold, but you won't. Come on. Better get by a fire, or you'll end up like Frostfinger.
Ich mag keine Kälte. Hoffentlich gehen wir jetzt woanders. Oh, so ein Glück. Ja, sorry, aber ich keine Kälte. Ach so, ja, wir treffen uns ja mit jemandem.
I'm here, but where are you?
Sorry, aber da ist eine Wache. Ich glaube, ich gehe da hinten lang. Geht natürlich nicht. Wie soll ich denn an der Wache da vorbei? Ich halte mich da mal links. Was macht denn die Wache da? Schnuppert an Blümchen oder was? Gestalt rufen? Wieso soll ich diese Gestalt rufen? Ich bin nicht doof.
Where do you think you're going?
Ich mache einen
This
Spaziergang.
time,
I was just headed back to my room.
it's a little late to be out, isn't it?
Kommst du denn da drauf?
Do you know what this uniform means?
It
Rosengarten?
means you serve the Lannisters.
So, you
Nah,
best
dran.
get yourself back to your chambers. And I mean, now. If you don't like it, you can take it up with the commander. Did you not hear me?
Ja, sorry, aber
At ease, Lucan. The lady is with me.
Yes, sir. Enjoy your night.
I hope he wasn't bothering you, my lady. I'm Damien.
Thank you, Damien.
It was my pleasure. You got my note.
That was you.
I'm very glad you could make it. I've been wanting to talk to you for quite some time.
Did you search my room? What were you looking for?
Nothing, Lady Mira. I only wish to leave you a note.
wieso ist dann alles so durcheinander gewesen? Also ich meine, es ist schon hübscher so, aber
I am
Junge,
sorry
benimm
about this,
dich.
Mira, but you've made enemies of the wrong people. A handmaiden should know her place.
What people?
I'll make this quick if that helps. I'd hate to see you suffer.
das ist gar nicht gut. Was ist jetzt mit dem Eimer da? Eimer ist Keimer.
Let her go!
Alter, nicht der Kohlejunge! So was sagt man nicht zu einer Dame.
You?
What happened? What was that?
He said I'd angered the wrong people.
So, someone sent him?
What are you doing here?
I heard yelling. You did what you had to do, Lady Mira. You had no choice.
I need to get back. Someone might see me.
I'll take care of him. I know a few places in Fleabot. No one will ever find him.
Everything all right, sir? Damien, where are you?
Kann man immer gebrauchen, oder? Okay.
Roderick! It's you. Isn't it? Roderick. They said you were gone. Ramsay Snow did this. He did that to Ethan. You're going to hurt him, aren't you? Lord Whitehouse says you won't, because you're a coward. But I know you will. He deserves it. He hurt Ethan.
What else has Lord Whitehill been telling you? Right.
That's enough. Your little chat is over.
We had a deal. Ryan gets to attend the
And
funeral.
you will keep your distance, or he's going back to High Point right now.
What? I have to go back. No, I want to come home.
Roderick, you should speak to Mother.
Roderick, are you going to forget about me? Are you?
Of course not.
We're all thinking about you. Every day. Try to find a way to bring you home.
Please hurry.
How about a story?
No. You've had your chance.
He's a child. What harm could it do?
Make it a quick one.
Mother, come join the others.
He's right there. My son. But soon they'll take him from me just like before. It's happening all over again. I can see it. My father's house was once mighty like this one, but his loyalty to the Targaryens cost us dearly. I watched as countless of our kin fell, saw our lands destroyed, everything we clung to was ripped from our hands. I can't watch that same fate before this family. Our house. My children.
I won't let that happen to us.
You must be ready to defend us, Roderick. Your body may be damaged, but your spirit must be like iron. You let nothing stand in your way, do you understand? If you have to murder every last Whitehill down to the babes in their beds, no matter what, you must do it. Promise me.
I will kill anyone who stands in my way. I will do whatever it takes.
Remember that. You must be ready. Promise me.
We will be ready, Mother. Mira, Asher, even Garrett. They all stand with us. We are strong.
Yes. I suppose we have to be.
Would you say a few words, my lord? My father. He was everything. Everything I ever wanted to be. He showed me what it is to be a lord. He was always kind. I never knew a better man. And I am sorry. I love you, Father. Ethan, my little brother. When I left, he was just a boy. But when his house needed him, he rose to the task, like a lord.
He would have been proud. We honor Lord Gregor Forrester, my husband, my love, and our Lord Ethan, my sweet little boy. But now is time to say goodbye. Father and son are returned to the earth, to the ice. And from their sacrifice, new life begins.
Iron from ice.
Iron
from
ice.
Was sind das gerade für Nüsse gewesen?
From ice we Forsters born, to ice we all return. Father, brother, I've sworn to guard this rest you've earned. I'd bare my neck to and swim the shivering sea. Paint slavers play in crimson rains to bring Ethan back to me. His final words, faced with the sword, cut short the bastard's breath. Take me as hostage, oh my Lord. He saved us all from death. Fight on, Ethan the brave. Old gods bear steel with you. Our Lord might win a hero's grave, so iron grows anew. Still iron grows anew.
Nächstes Mal bei Game of Thrones.
What is going on?
Roderick, you have to do something. Lord Whitehill's son has arrived.
Griff Whitehill means to torment us. Nothing worse than a fourthborn with something to prove.
It was bad enough when it was just the soldiers.
We can't live with them under our roof.
Form up and follow my lead. You'll be taking your vows. You too, Tuttle. Time to start proving you're a brother.
Oh, the things we do for family. I wonder sometimes if it's worth it. All the sacrifices. Enjoy the wedding.
How much further to Marine?
A few days.
If the Lost Legion doesn't catch up to us first.
I overheard a couple of men whispering about the Lannister Guard. They're questioning people. Is there anything else we need to be worried about?
What was that?
From eyes we Forsters born, to eyes
Okay.
we all
Das war's dann mit Episode 2 von Game of Thrones.
Father, brother, I've sworn
Es wird interessant.
guard this rest
Ich habe, glaube ich, in der ersten Folge gesagt, dass ich nicht vorhab, irgendwie groß auf hier, ich spring alle um oder was weiß ich was zu spielen, sondern einfach so mich so gehen lass, go with the flow. Okay, mache ich immer noch. Aber, jetzt kommt das Aber, Roderick wird ein Badass. Also, sorry, aber diese Demütigung vor meiner zukünftigen Frau mit Ringknutschen und was weiß ich was so, ey, nö. Dann gucken wir mal, wie weit so ein Krüppel den Leuten ein bisschen einheizen kann. So, das ist mein Plan. Ist natürlich eine schöne Sache, dass ich weiß, was ich will. Wir sind immer noch in einem Telltale-Spiel. Muss man auch mal gucken, ob ich's darf. Ja, so. Ich schaffe mit dem Telltale-Tool. Oh Mann, ich bin müde, hey. Nein, nicht vom Spiel, hey. Das ist halt, ach, ihr wisst schon. Bin ja nicht irgendwie Fulltime-YouTuber, verdiene ja kein Geld damit. Da kann man ruhig mal ein bisschen müde sein von Arbeit. So. So. Jonathan Junior. Also, Anführungsstrichen. Das ist ja auch immer da und guckt euch die Namen von Leuten an und dann freut sich, wenn man einen lustigen findet. Ja. Ich sollte vielleicht die Hand vor den Mund machen. Vielleicht sollte ich auch mal das Mädel singen lassen. Nein, die haben wir schon singen lassen. Ich finde es schade, dass sie das nicht übersetzt haben. Also sie singt relativ klar. Die Musik ist eher im Hintergrund. Also wenn man... Sie singt auch nicht mit so einem irisch-schottischen Akzent. Man kann es schon verstehen, sofern man halt gutes Englisch kann. Ja, grundsätzlich hat sie halt nochmal die Geschichte des Hauses besungen. Jetzt nicht direkt so, aber halt, wie sich der Bruder mutig den Unterdrückern quasi entgegengestellt hat und gesagt hat, hier, ich beschütze euch oder nehmt mich als Geisel. Ja, übrigens habe ich hier mal geguckt, ich würde gerne, also man kann kein Telltale-Konto mehr erstellen. Und weil man kein Telltale-Konto mehr erstellen kann, kann man auch nicht sehen, was andere gewählt haben. Weil dieses Spiel ist halt eins von den Spielen, dass das neue Telltale, das so wie es jetzt im Moment existiert, wo sie noch nicht die Lizenz wieder haben, keine Ahnung, ob sie jemals die Lizenz kriegen werden. Ich sehe gerade, dass da oben ein Drachen auf der Schulter ist, ein kleiner. So, also, nee, danke, ist schon in Ordnung. Sorry. Ja. So. Ja. Morgen geht's weiter mit Folge 3. Ist natürlich Quatsch. Mit Episode 3. Folge 1 von Episode 3. Ich bin gespannt. Bis dahin, gehabt euch wohl, my lords.